video where I mix all of my bad slimes together. I'm really scared because I'm scared just because I've never mixed any of my slimes together like this much. So I don't have that much slimes that I hate because I like all my slimes really. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys the slimes that I'm going to mix together, and two of them, I'm not going to mix all of the slimes just because I kind of like those two. So first, this one, I'm just going to mix a little bit of this one since I actually got this from Isabel, and it just like became hard just because I left it out, and so it became really hard. So I'm just going to mix a little bit of that one. I have this one, which is like so gross. Just hard. This gross melon slime, like I hate this one. This one I'm just gonna mix a little bit just because I just made it today, so I don't want it just like already mix it all together. Then I'm gonna mix a little bit of these three slimes. So I have an Easter bucket where I'm gonna mix all the slime together. So I'm gonna put you right here. Actually, oh, I also have this one, which is hard. So, I'm actually gonna mix it on top of this so you guys can see it better. So, the first one I'm gonna mix is this melon slime. This one is just gross and stinks. It's all greasy and stuff, and so it also has a lot of hair in it, so I hate this one. Okay, just gonna plop it right there. This one I just don't like. This one is so hard. It used to be like a really good crunchy slime, but now it's not, so I'm just gonna place that right there. I'm already scared mixing two of them together. Okay, I'm gonna mix, not this one. I'm gonna mix this sparkly blue one that I got from the Target little plaque. It's just because it already has like slime in it. That doesn't make it even clearer, it just makes it gross. So I'm just gonna mix it in there. And then the black one I'm just gonna keep in here since I never had black slime before. I could still make more black slime, it's just I really like this one. So. And the most, why I like to mix the slimes together is because you get to have more containers to make slime. Okay. Oh, there's still some more wood. Okay. Then I have this KFC container one. This one, don't like it at all. It's just, I like the color though, but not my type of consistency. So I'm just gonna plop it right there. I'm gonna mix a little bit of this dark purple one that I made today. This one, so bad.
Come on, defense.
Okay. By the way, you might hear yelling because my dad is watching football.
Oh my God. Come on, guys.
So I'm gonna mix half of it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna mix it next to the other purple one. Right there. Now, I'm gonna put the slime in one of these containers. So I'm gonna put it in the case. Okay. Then I have this other one that I got from Isabel. And actually used to be in a container, but I took one out and put it back. So I'm just gonna mix like barely any, just because since I just got it, like I got it from Isabel, so I don't just want to mix it all because that would just be rude. So I'm just gonna mix this much. So I'm gonna put it right there.
Pushed them in the back.
Here, let me flip it. So there's the hard one, like this one's jiggly, cream cheese, gross. Like they're like all gross except for that one. Like some of these just have bad textures, but some of them have like pretty colors. So I'm gonna start mixing. Whoa. Oh, I could just feel the hard slime. Is it gonna become like into hard slime? I wonder what color. It's gonna be so ugly. It's hard. Reminds me of Halloween.
What? You're off tomorrow, Kevin?
This is like a Halloween slime. Ooh. This is turning into a purple slime. It's hard to mix when they're hard. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna take. Okay, so this is the final product. So I'll be back with some Pokey noise.
In his 6th year out of Illinois and a great player. Right there is merciless. And really, one of the no question.
Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the video of me mixing all my bad slimes. Like, all my bad slimes were hard, so it just turned into this hard little putty consistency. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this quick, easy video, and comment down below if you think this slime was like good. Like, do you like these type of hard slimes? I don't. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.